In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add symbols in MetaTrader 5 in just 5 minutes. If you're new to the MetaTrader 5 platform, or simply need a quick refresher on managing your MarketWatch, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step to get your symbols set up efficiently. First, you'll need to open up your MetaTrader 5 platform. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, but for our task, we're going to focus on the View menu. Click on View, and from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select MarketWatch. This will open up a new window or section within your interface, which is essential for the next steps we'll be taking. With the MarketWatch window now open, what you'll do next is position your cursor over this area and right-click. This brings up a context menu filled with various options for managing what you see in the MarketWatch. From this menu, you'll need to find and select symbols. Once you do that, another window will pop up, showing a broad list of instruments available on the platform. Here's where you can explore the extensive collection of trading instruments offered by your broker. You'll notice these instruments are categorized, making it easier for you to navigate through them. Take your time to go through these categories and browse until you locate the particular instrument you are interested in adding to your MarketWatch. This could be a currency pair, a stock index, or any other financial instrument you're looking to keep an eye on. Once you've found the symbol you're interested in, the next step is straightforward but important. Simply double-click on the desired symbol. This action will add it to your MarketWatch list, allowing you to monitor its performance and observe any real-time price changes alongside other financial data directly on your MetaTrader 5 dashboard. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you've effectively added new symbols to your MarketWatch, which can greatly enhance your ability to track and analyze the markets more comprehensively. Remember, having an organized and well-set MarketWatch is key to efficient trading and monitoring financial instruments. As always, spend some time getting familiar with the platform's interface, so you can swiftly carry out these and other operations in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or requests for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment down below. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.